Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Chevy Trax can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how I completed this install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. We're going to begin this installation by removing a slight amount of body caulking from each frame rail in order for the hitch to fit. You may find that the body caulking is not in a straight line and gets close to one of your access holes. This is what we need to address to remove a little bit so the hitch will fit. Once you've trimmed a small amount of body caulking if needed, you can go ahead and fish wire in the hardware. A 7/16 carriage bolt, carriage block, and fish wire. Pass your fish wire through the rearmost access hole in the side of the frame rail and fish it rearward to the large access hole at the bottom of the frame rail. Now put on your carriage block and insert it into the frame. And then thread on the carriage bolt and insert it into the frame. Now pull the hardware to the access hole. But we will need it inside the frame to raise the hitch into place. Now pass the fish wire through the forward-most access hole and insert a carriage block and a bolt. Now repeat for the passenger side. We discovered we needed to remove more body caulking. We're now going to also spray some rust prevention over our slight scratches. Use something like a cold galvanizing compound. We are now ready to raise the hitch into place. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, we recommend that you get a second set of hands to hold the hitch while you pass the fish wires through the mounting locations. Make sure your hardware is seating flat against the frame rail. If your fingers are long enough, you can reach in and confirm this. Now remove the fish wires from the bolts and place on your flange nuts. We are now ready to tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer's specifications. We will link them in the description below. We're going to use an 11/16 socket. Before we do that, let's make sure we get our hitch perpendicular to the ground when we tighten the hardware. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to give you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 3 inches. From the ground to the inside of the top of the receiver is 13 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories, like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.